Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about how to access your Google Drive while you are offline. So when you have internet and you are online, you're going to go walk through these steps. So you're going to go to your Google Drive. Okay, so you're going to go to your little Google Drive, the triangle. You can also find that in the waffle up here with the triangle. So you're going to go to your Google Drive. Then you're going to go to Settings. Okay, and then you're going to hit Settings. And then here under General, you're going to notice this will be turned off for you. You're going to notice that you're going to click this box here. So you're going to click it so that things are available offline is what it's saying. All right, and then you're going to click Done. Okay, so now what's happening is your documents that are in Google Drive are starting to download so that they'll be accessible offline, but they start with the most recently used ones and the ones that are open and actually active. And so in order to make sure you get the files that you want to get, it's important that you also click on those files and download them for offline access. So in Google Drive, you also have a folder that is automatically created called Classroom. So this Classroom folder is connected to your Google Classroom, and so all of your assignments that are on Google Classroom are going to come here to your drive automatically. And so those assignments are organized by class. You're not going to have as many classes as I have here, but you'll have your list of classes that you're enrolled in with Google Classroom. So I am going to show an example of how to make sure you have your assignments. I'm going to go into my first period class, and I'm going to go to my learning letter, the first item here that I need this week, and I'm going to right click it. And then I'm going to make sure that it is available offline. I'm going to switch that over, and so you'll see right here that this document has a little blue check by it and a line, and so that means that that's made available offline. It'll be maybe gray while it's working, and then it'll turn to blue, but in order to double check yourself and make sure it's available, if you actually go to the assignment, there is a little box up here, and it says this little cloud guy, and so you click document status, and it says that all changes are saved, but then it said it's ready for offline use. And so that means at this time, once you're home, you'll be able to access this document, and you can edit it, and you can write on it, and you can automatically save it. And so then later when you're back in school or back to having online access, you can then post it or share it with whatever you need to do. An important thing to remember is that our videos that are in our the videos that are put into the PowerPoint, those ones are not going to be available. Ones that are is when the teacher adds it as an assignment, a separate assignment, it'll show up, and so you'll be able to download that from your classroom as well. All right. And there's also some documents here that are available or resources that are available offline. So this will be linked to our website and available for you. But these different things, Khan Academy, MHM, Pearson, Typing Agent, and Math Apps, these are all available with online access, so you can be able to get on and check those out and do some work that way without internet. All right. So I hope that helps you. Like always, if you have questions, please reach out and let us know. We can help walk you through it and make sure that you get all the files that you need to have. All right. Thanks.